Good morning. Today we have a pretty full-on day of photo shoots and video shoots with Verity and the motorcycle up in Mount Tambourine. We're also going to see if we can go to Runaway Bay and maybe a few other areas to scope them out for locations for good shoots in the future as well. But first we're starting it off going to Paddock Bakery to get some breakfast. Are you excited? What are you going to get?
Oh, pancakes you can have.
Oh. I think I want a cookie or a donut. Anyway, we have to pack our bag for the shoot. So let's pack it. Made it to Paddock Bakery. We have a creme brulee donut to go, so we'll have this during the day. And then I got the same caramel cookie that I love, and I got a chai latte, and Brady got an acai bowl. What do you think? Good? My chai latte came, and it looks so pretty. I already ate a bit of my cookie, and he's already done. Said save for later, but I guess not. No. Good? We're back at home now. We have just packed all of our stuff. Don't mind the mess. Still unpacking from Byron. And let's go. Off to the mountains. You want to come with us to the mountains? Do you want to come with? You want to come with us to the mountains?
Need to change the date.
Bye, Fluff. What kind of a fail? We've made it to Mount Tambourine. We made it to the lookout, which was really pretty. And now we've made it to the town center, and there's like nothing to do. So I'm having the rest of, well, I'm having some of the donut, sitting in my car. And then I think we're gonna head down to Currumbin Rock Pools and try to get some shots there instead, because we couldn't really find a road that we could fly the drone up to get some shots, and all the roads are really like long and winding, and it won't really be possible for me to shoot the drone and then stop somewhere and bring it back kind of thing. Having a bit of a break and then we'll go. Oh, and our creme brulee melted. Started leaking all over the bag, but still tastes good. Okay, I completely forgot to film and I forgot to bring the GoPro, but we finished off at Currumbin and we are now in BCF, and we are deciding to get this mattress for the back of the car and for camping and for general sleeping when we have guests at the house, because we just don't want another so far it fits in the back. I think it's just this bit here that goes in, but I said to him like, hey, you know, we have of course the bigger bit and then the smaller bit, and he was like, it would just mold around the yay bed in this spare room. We want to use it as like a pretty, you just want to use it for many things, so it's just nicer to have something that you can roll up. But yeah, we've decided this one. We just bought groceries at Pacific Highway and now we're having dinner, and then we're going to, yep, we have a guest. Her name is Coco, and we're going to unpack that in a little bit. Just about ready to go to bed, but we still need to open up the mattress. so easy to pull it out now. Gotta pass the snuff test. It actually feels exactly like the old one. Actually not that big. I think it's for inflate. That's how it is. The guys at the store said because it's been rolled up for a couple of months. No, don't let him get on it.
Nemo.
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 No. A twitch of misbehavior.
Nemo.
No, meow, 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 meow. Meow. No.
What don't you understand?
Cheeky.
You know what no means.
I don't think no's in his vocabulary. Anyway, the guy said that because it's been rolled up for potentially a couple of months, that it's better to just give it some hours to inflate, get the foam rise, and then we can try it out in the car. Because we're just a little bit unsure of how it's exactly going to fit, because we think it's going to... Oh, he's so cheeky. Because some parts of it are a little bit narrower than others. So he was just like, well, it is foam, so it should just go around it. So I think what we'll do is we'll just let it inflate for the night. We'll check it tomorrow and see how it fits into the car. And if it really doesn't fit, then he was like, just bring it back. And then we can get the single. So hopefully it's fine. To be honest, it's a pretty good size. It's a double. I think that would be good for me and you, right?
Yeah. I thought the single was already decent.
Single wouldn't have fit both of us. But yeah, I mean, I think this is good because honestly, like, look how much of the room it's already taking up. So if we have guests over, we can just sleep on here and then give them our bedroom. And then we have... Ever the opportunist, you. So yeah, we can just sleep on this one while we give the guests like our bed because it's a proper bed. And we just don't really want to get another bed for this room just because, like, look how much space it takes up, and then we can't really use it for an office or anything. So this is nice. We also like thought maybe a sofa bed would be a good idea, but they're quite expensive. And then yeah, I think this is better because also if we're not using it for car camping, if we're not using it as a spare bed, we can use it for actual camping, which we hope to do soon. So that will be really, really fun. So yeah, actually super exciting. Now I'm going to bed because I have a shoot in the morning, a surfing shoot with a friend, so that should be really, really fun. And I'm kind of beat. Like, the sun here, when it beats down on you all day. Look at this. Whoa. No. Oh, he's already got his paw prints all over it. Okay, that's it. We're closing this door. He's no longer allowed in. We'll let that inflate. I think because Coco was here, he was like, oh, I couldn't have time to run around. Anyway, don't remember what I was saying. But, we're gonna fight, and I'm going to bed.
Look at this face. Like...
He's like, oh, there's a camera. Anyway, good night. See you in the morning.
Come on, look.